Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Mas Bro and cuy dimanapun berada, semoga dalam keadaan baik dan sehat ya. Oke, di video kali ini aku akan mengganti ini ya cuy, Per Kopling. Ini dia Per Kopling dari RS1. Ini masih pengembangan dari Koroni juga. Gua akan ganti ke Sabrina aku nih. Kita lihat prosesnya sih ya. Jadi punya aku nih udah mulai lemah gitu koplingnya. Kita ganti pernya aja. Kalau kampas ini masih bagus kok, kita ganti pernya aja. Ini murah meriah cuy. Kita akan buka ini firingnya juga, firing samping aja. Dan itu nanti akan kita buka box koplingnya.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up. Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name. But it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it.
Ini kita ganti yang punya RS1 ya. Ini bawaan ori RS1 maju sih, lebih keras ini, dan daya nendangnya nih lebih kuat, agak lembut. Dan juga ini lebih Ini RS1 ya, ini lebih besar sedikit, ini lebih gede.
Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Oke cuy, pernya sudah kepasang ya. Nah ini per bawaannya, tuh dia ada lemah cuy, udah mulai kepasang tadi nggak ke video ininya, udah kepasang cuy. Dan ini tuh modelnya dia agak berat, dan tapi nendangnya tuh loh, tuh kerasa banget. Tapi nggak terlalu sih, nggak terlalu berat sih, enak aja kok. Recommended banget cuy, asik pokoknya, asik pokoknya sih. Nanti kita coba, mantap pokoknya. Nih yang bawaannya. Oke, mungkin sampai di sini dulu ya videonya. Terima kasih yang sudah menonton video ini. Jika suka, monggo di like, comment, dan share ke seluruh dunia. Oke, terima kasih ya. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.